Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a powerful tool for organizing your ideas, projects, and knowledge. But to truly make your notes effective, you need to go beyond just typing text. One of the best tips is to use heading styles and subpages. By structuring your notes with headings and nested pages, you can easily navigate your content and create a clear hierarchy, which is especially helpful for long or complex topics. Another tip is to use databases for notes. Instead of having all your notes scattered in separate pages, you can create a table or gallery view where each note is a database entry, and you can filter, sort, and tag them based on categories, topics, or priorities. Next, take advantage of toggle lists and collapsible sections. Toggles are perfect for hiding details until you need them, which keeps your notes clean and focused. You can also embed links, images, and videos directly into your notes to enrich them with references or visual content. For better recall, try adding tags or labels. Tags make it easy to group related notes and quickly find information when you need it. Another powerful tip is using Notion's relation and roll-up features. If you're taking notes across multiple subjects or projects, these features help you connect information, see summaries, or track progress across different pages. Finally, don't forget to review and update your notes regularly. Notion is dynamic, so you can continuously improve your notes, reorganize content, and make connections between ideas. By following these tips, your Notion notes will be more structured, interactive, and easier to review, turning your workspace into a powerful knowledge hub. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity hacks.